So I'm sitting in my new barber shop, enjoying it, and I want to try something new. I want to do a giveaway. Listen, I made these today. Actually, I made them, but you're going to watch me make them in the video. Kind of cool. First two people that roast the crap out of me. I'm going to come back in a week, and I want to see some roasting going on. Best two people. I'm sending these out to you. All right? I made them with my own hands, so I take pride in what I do, and I'm going to ship them out. All right? Let the roasting begin. You guys already know the worst thing about magnetic guards is they stick to everything. Is something with you? No, it's just gray hairs. All right, stick to everything. The worst. But we're gonna fix that problem because I got this. Boom! You see that? That's my jig. We're gonna make some guard holders today. Let's get it. on his way to drying. 2 coats. It'll soften up and, you know, even out really good. Then we're gonna throw some magnets in this bad boy. Kind of drying it with the electric heat pump. Alright, so we're almost done building these magnetic guard holders, and the last part is to put the magnets inside. So I have a bunch of rare earth magnets that fit these holes that I just drilled out, and we just got to glue them in with a hot glue gun. Now, I can't find my hot glue gun in the basement. Somebody might have touched it. I don't know. But I happen to have my wife's, and I'm just going to hope it works, you know? That little piece of crap right there. Somebody touched my stuff. Now I'm forced to use this little noisy cricket looking pink thing. High temp. Let's hope it gets high enough temp to melt some glue. Yo, so I don't consider this job like anything crazy. Anybody can do it. But this part right here, where you have to make sure the magnet gets glued in the right way into this board, you will screw this up, alright? So if any of you guys are doing this at home, just be careful. Glue it in properly. Make sure it's not upside down, because the minute it gets stuck in that board, it's a wrap.